What is everybody? This is Naz, and today we are building a SaaS. I am joined by my good friend Ryan here. Say what is up, Ryan? Hey. Oh my god, man, this is gonna be exciting. Good to see you, man. Yes. So what are we doing here, actually, to give you some perspective? This is just a fun time for us to code. Basically, we want to be coding a SaaS application. We have an idea for a SaaS application we want to build to be able to actually launch it and sell it and to have you use it. Also, at the same time, we want to show you how you yourself can build a SaaS, right? And the big goal basically is to build this AI SaaS that you can talk to your files, called GPT My Files. That's the big goal. And then from there, what you can actually do is we'll build a front-end website that will represent that specific application. Okay, that's gonna be step 2. Then from there, we'll build a subscription model, which is you'll be able to buy a subscription to use that application, and the person will be able to manage that subscription in their account. So we have to use Stripe. We're gonna use no-code solutions like V0 in ChatGPT, of course. We're gonna use at the same time Relevance AI to build the AI application. On top of that, we're gonna have to use some kind of a database, which could be either Firebase or MongoDB, or it could be as simple as Airtable to manage users. And finally, we have to somehow create authentication. So that we could be using Auth0, or I don't know. What do you maybe think? Auth0 or something else potentially? I don't know. Yeah. Clerk. I haven't used Clerk before, actually. Really? Clerk authentication. Oh, that actually looks pretty fun. Clerk. Authentication user match. Oh, this is so clean, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. I love this. Oh, and it has email and SMS one time. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Dude, that's awesome. Awesome. Sweet, everybody. Yeah. All right, so let's just get into it, I guess. So basically, so what are we gonna build? So the first things first is we're gonna build this AI application that talks to your files. We're gonna use Relevance AI. Have you ever used Relevance AI, Ryan? No? By the way, also Ryan has his own YouTube channel where he also builds a lot of cool stuff. I will go and add a link to his content down below in the description. You guys can check him out as well, okay? Pretty dope dude. Loves to build React apps and Web3 apps. So check him out for sure. You got it. So, okay, let me show you the actual application, bro. Check this out. Basically, it looks a little bit like this. So basically, like, this is the app, and this is actually it. As you can see, you can basically upload docs, PDFs, or audio files into right here. It converts that content into actual text, whatever content might be. It could be PDF content, could be audio content, could be even video content. It will convert that content, and then you can ask any questions on that content. Right? Like, I don't know if I can even do that right now in ChatGPT, like, especially if it comes to long-term, like, big content. I don't think I can even do that, to be honest with you. Yeah, no, you really can't. No. So, yeah, so this is a pretty simple, and you can actually do this at home yourself as well. So the goal is to use as many no-code tools as possible, but at some point we'll have to get into the actual code, because when it gets more complicated, then yeah, you have to do code. And actually, I'm excited to build code too, so I still love it, like it or not. Yeah, I agree, man. Awesome. All right, so let me just demonstrate an example of what I mean by a thing. So I actually I have this video here that I made. So you can see I dropped this video, and you don't know what this video is technically about, right? So it's gonna upload the video right now. You don't really know what this video is about, but let me show you here. Give me 1 second. Let me show it to you here. So, okay, boom, it's uploaded, right? Now I can ask a question. So let's just say, tell me what this is about. Or maybe give me, tell me what this is about, and give me 2 main bullet points. Bullet points. Boom. So I run this tool. Boom. And then it takes the video, it transcribes the video under the hood, and it literally just like spits out the answer. Right? Oh shit! Oh shit! Hold on! Invalidation. I think I need to change the. Hold on. Build. Yeah, it's token API stuff. It has to do with token API stuff. Let me see, cause oh no, this is actually built. Yeah, this is actually built. Yeah, let's try to run this step again. Let's see. So I think I might have to either pay for the extra stuff potentially, or I have to give it my own key. Because I have API keys that I use, and I think I disabled the key. Yeah, so you see, I think I disabled the key to actually do it. So let me see, view all. So this is the file text, and this is the question. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, let's see. Run. Don't. Outputs, answer. Dun, 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 dun. And it's so, come on, invalid notebook ran with errors. Well, what does that mean? Yeah, because it uses ChatGPT 4, that's why. Okay, let's use this one here. Okay, that should work now. Let's try it. Yeah, too many characters, yeah. Yeah. That is the only limit, is like when it comes to characters and stuff like that. That's the only issue. But I think there's a way we can actually we can go around it, because it can actually take content and then they can run it through vector or something like that. Like there's like a vector you can use to like for long form videos, you know. But let me see if I can do something else potentially. Let me see here. Let me see. Let's take like PDF content. Yeah, we can try a smaller video too. That'd be sick. That would be awesome. Yeah, that would be kind of funny. Uh-huh. 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 Yeah. Uh-huh. 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 That's funny, man. Really? No, really? Wow, that's hilarious. That's insane, bro. That's hilarious. Oh my god, man. Hold on, let me I'm like I'm trying to figure out what's the right way here with it really doesn't make sense. GPT 3.5, get ready to run this step. It's using the more strings. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. I will go ahead. That didn't work out, of course. Looks like. Your model. Use, build your model. What are these clouds, by the way? I'm curious. GPT-4 32K. There's an even bigger model. Let's see. Like, how big is the text? I'm actually curious. Like, how big is that text, you know? Yeah, that I provided it, you know? Yeah, and valid string length. So let's see. I mean, I really wish they give us a little bit better like instructions here with relevance AI, because like invalid string length can mean so fucking much, you know. So invalid string length in relevance AI. I believe so. I believe so. So basically, let me see, build. But I do know for a fact that what I can technically do. So if I go to my agents here, I go to activity. Yeah, failed. I can see this is not the best, tutorial, but example of a successful product. Learning language model. Docs. Yeah, you can try that if you want. That'd be awesome. Oh, see, look, missing property file text. Oh, right, because I did not upload anything. Because the thing is, like, this is like a 2-minute video. It's not really that long either. Like, this video right here is not long. Somewhat. I would say. I'm talking about like. But how much can you fit? How much text can you possibly fit in a 2-minute video? That's a good one, actually. Answer the. What is this video about? What is this about? Yeah, let's use Vite or Vite as they call it. We'll use Vite to create React app. Work. Well, next. Sorry, but I think I'm not sure if Vite doesn't um React. So we might have to do next create React app. My bad. It might have to be next create React app in that case. Yeah. Okay, let me see. So maybe. So autopilot, no copilot, AI tool builder. Okay, so let me see here. So build powerful. Is it because I'm not paying for it? Is that why? 100 credits per day, 4 credits per run, 1 user, 10 megabyte of knowledge. Maybe that's why it's 10 megabyte of knowledge. Well, yeah, because my video is 400 megabytes. Yeah, it needs to be like a smaller video potentially. Let me see if I can find a smaller video. Let me see here. Yeah, I made this video about fixing company website, and let's just see if it'll actually go through it. Let me try it one more time. They're what? Yeah. Oh, come on. Okay. There we go. Let me try here. Boom. Also 250 megabytes. Wow, everything is just big. Enter. I mean, you can take a PDF. I can take a PDF file. I have this thing called JavaScript PDF. I don't know where I got it from. That uses PDF and it has like a lot of stuff. What is this about? Yeah, run step. Do. Oh, wait, is it doing? Is it running? Oh, please work. Oh, I think it's going actually. You know another cool tool we can use as well? It's called Streamlit, bro. Streamlit. Here. Look. You can use Python. Basically, uses Python to actually build applications. You can do some cool ass shit. Yeah, there's just so many cool AI tools, honestly, out there. Right? Oh, look, it's taking its time. Look at that. It's taking its time. She's working. But what I want to do is I want to use Relevance Event to be able to actually upload any audio. You know, like, for example, use Relevance AI to be able to upload any type of content. So that means that we might have to do some more research on how that actually works. Because the fact that there's a limit is not something that I'm interested in. You know what I mean? No, what it needs to do is it takes the content, converts it to a vector space, basically. All right. And then it allows you to build, basically, like upload 1 hour piece of content or 2 hour piece of content with that. And then like it will actually, yeah. And like there's no limit to the content itself. And it's not because ChatGPT. It actually uses something called vector. It builds vectors or something like that. I'm not really sure how that fully works, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know, bro. I haven't used it before. Let me see. By functions, product, AI agents. Okay, so custom actions. So AI agents. Let's see here. File analysis. So this guy does something called a file analysis. Boom, boom, boom. Breaking into goals. Describe what your apps will do. Don't take your words. Market customer experience analytics. Did it work at all? Oh, it's still loading. Wow. This is a horrible demo of so my bad for anybody who's actually listening to this. This is a horrible demo. Oh my. Oh, okay. Exactly the full extract the footage from your YouTube. Okay, so let me see. Let me do. Okay, look at this one. This is extracts the raw video file from you. Extracts the full transcript. Okay, now add all reviews. Let's see. Video to text. Ask AI to analyze if this can take a while to run. Use. Let me see. There's actually a few people who built this. Oh, there it is. A prompt. Clone to edit. Video to text. Use ask it to analyze a video. This tool can take a while to run depending on the length of the video. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, max tokens. I'm not sure what that really means in terms of max tokens, but let me see. Clone to edit. What does that do? Clone this tool to modify. Continue. So what do they do? So inside here, they have a prompt. Oh, they have to use Python. What the hell is this Python code for? Oh my goodness. Then they use something right here. You see this content? This lambda thing. I'm not sure what this means. and then they send this over to GPT-4. Interesting, right? Yeah. Get AI to provide feedback on your web page's copy. This is actually a cool tool right here. You look at this one. Get feedback on to web page copy. That's actually a pretty sick tool. I actually like this. Compare web pages. There are so many tools you can do. We can build. It's insanity. And there's a bunch of tutorials too. Wow. So let's see popular. Scrape website content via URL. Do not make up URLs. Wow, interesting. Research. Detect server base. So maybe video. Like I want to do like video, for example. Transcribe, identify, iterate, continue, extract topics from it. AI is just actually I like this one. AI to suggest a list of main categories, themes. This is actually really good right here. Like, yeah. Oh, there's GPT my phone. Asking a question regarding recent comments. Oh, that's sick too. Let me see. Extract topics from interviews. So let me see here. Let me click on modify here. What will this do? Let me see. View maximum word count per categories. Okay. And then the LLM generate. And then they just use normal GPT. Wait, what? You can upload. Enter test eval. What do you mean audio video transcription? Shouldn't this upload a video audio file technically? No. And then they run JavaScript code. No, you can, of course. Here. Ah, it's already a transcript. Ah, this is interesting. Ah, okay. Extracts the full transcript from a YouTube video. Extracts the raw video file from YouTube. Let me see. Let me see this one now. Another one. Continue. Oh, so you enter the YouTube URL. Okay. Then there's Python code that returns the first what? Link to a YouTube video. Ah, interesting. I'm not really sure what the point of this is actually, to be honest with you. Linear create ticket knowledge select threads channel. I just want like a video. Ask AI to analyze a video. This tool can take a while. Like I want this one, but I want to have no limits on it. You know, because I feel like this one will be slow. Like if I do this. Maybe. I don't know how many tokens I have, honestly. Like, what's the max tokens I can use? Current bulk. That's cool. GPT my files. Airtable toolkit. So many interesting things here. Wow. Get answers to your questions about any website. That's a cool tool. Yeah, right? Actually, I don't know, man. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. All right. So then what I'm going to do since we don't have crazy success with the video thing, I mean, technically, I think there is success with that video thing, because if I feel like if I use this thing right here, video detection GPT right here, ask AI to analyze a video, this tool can take a while to run, but we click on use this. Let me see here. If I go ahead and boom, upload this. Max tokens, what the fuck does that mean? What does that mean? What's going on? Yeah. I just muted that cell phone call. I'm like, I can't talk. So, okay. So anyways, our goal is to basically, I guess let's figure out what we build with this in a little bit, because there's a lot to use here. And also, I want to be able to enter my API key, but I want people to see the API key, you know, to test it out. That's a little bit dangerous. Do I have another? I do have another monitor actually. I guess I could take another monitor if I wanted to. I guess I can do that. So you guys don't see nothing now. So I'm gonna do open AI. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Dude, you know what's in OpenAI? Like, they never give you a proper way how to enter like your settings portal. Like, how? It's like a mystery. You have to go to like, oh, there's like my plan. But like, how do I go to actual, like, my OpenAI API? Yeah, I gotta log in. I'm like, what the hell? Okay, continue with Google. I think I finally got it. And then, let's see. API. There we go. Yes. We go APIs. Usage API keys. Test GPT. Created. Last use. February 25th. Okay, cool. Tracking. All right. Key. I should actually get some like fun music for us. Let me see. So I do copy. Okay, I got my API key. I think I didn't have my API keys enabled, I believe. Let me see. Because I think they changed it to where like now you have to enable it potentially. I could be wrong though. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. They hide your API key. Thank God. You see here? Okay, run this too. Let's see. Let's see if this actually will work. I really doubt this will fully work, but we're gonna take a look at it here. So max tokens. So here, max tokens. Max tokens for Chat GPT 4. Oh, 8,000. We also offer an GPT-4 model offers 8,000 tokens for the context. We also offer an extended to 32,000 token content length model, which are rolling out separately to the 8K model. I'm actually curious, what model do I have? Let me see here. Yeah. Oh, see? Can't see my tokens here. Let's see. I don't know what tokens I have. The usage? Playground. Wait. Did it work? Let's see. Oh, it's still working actually. It's still taking this time. Assistance. Fine tuning. Oh, that's cool. You can create an assistant in its own. All right. Yeah. Which is kind of fun. Mm-hmm. It won't tell me what the token is, the max token is. Come on, do something. Do something. It's so slow, man. This thing is so slow. All right, so while that's working, we want to set up some kind of a front end application to actually, because the main goal of this is technically to have some kind of a subscription model, basically for for stuff. That's kind of what I'm mostly interested in. And what we can do now is we want to kind of you want to use v0.dev to actually take this. So, for example, like I can actually create a website for a SaaS called GPT My Files that will allow you to ask questions on any of your files, pretty much, any of your files. So that's kind of what I'm trying to get to, and to a question on any of your files. Include a banner, features, and a price, and a subscribe now with price modal. Watch this. Dude, it's actually pretty insane how good this shit is. Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Look. Really? Well, that's what we wanted to use. We wanted to use this. So hold on. It's still loading. It's still taking its time. It's not perfect, as you can see. So, V0 is still technically very much in its beta form right now. Like, you see, it's got like some weird issues over there, you see? Yeah. Yeah. And I've actually had it better, to be honest with you. Like, I've had it better. Like, I can, let's do down to result. I'm trying to see if we can improve on this. Let's see. Prompt copy, new generation. Let's try it one more time, because I actually wanted to do it again. I think it can do better than what we had, honestly. Mm-hmm. And it also what's cool about this, it also uses Tailwind CSS for this too. I don't know if you knew that. Yeah. Oh, that's better. I like this one right here. See, GPT My Files. Subscribe now. Hey, see, that's good right here. This is like simple and nice. Yeah. Well, let's see. I think you see it says we are experiencing occasional issues with streaming generations. So it looks like they're having a little issues right now, actually, because I actually got much better results before. But if let me see if I can get the code for this. There's the HTML. You get the code, you get the HTML, you get everything. But it did suck here. Look at this. This is pretty horrible. Let's do it one more time. Let's see. I'm gonna hit regenerate. I'm actually surprised, because I feel like in on Sundays it would be really good, because I feel like on Sundays there's not a lot of people using this. But maybe I'm wrong. Like, usually this should be. Oh, this is good. Actually, I like this format. So like left. Yeah, this is good. Oh, look at this. Files, instant results, secure. Yeah. Right? You like this one better? So no, there's a few others. We got this one. No, this one sucked too. This is sucks ass. And then you know what we can do too, bro. So like on this one specifically, make the text larger or change the color. So pick an S. So for example, here I can take this one and make the text larger, or include payment link. Include payment link. So then I will select this, and then it will take this part, for example. Oh, what happened there? The hell is this supposed to include payment link? No. That's not what I wanted, you dumb dumb. Little dumb dumb. Fucking. Oh, so funny, man. All right, I will say though, I do like this part. I think this is pretty clean. Like this makes sense. This part on the right side here, we've got our like features, and then here we could probably get our designers to make this a little bit better, honestly. And then I mean, let's try this. Let's try this. I can do this, and then make the text the header white. Watch it change. What? Are you saying you already built it? Well, I've been playing around with this. All right, let's see. All right, so are you gonna screen share your VS Code? Well, yeah, make sure. Yeah, so no. So you need to go live share, and then you have to share your VS Code basically. No, you don't click share screen because nobody will be able to see your screen. Yeah, no. So basically, in your VS Code, do live share and then get the link. Yeah. Is this still? Let me see if it's still doing its thing here. Video. Oh my god, this is still loading. Look at this, man. Still loading. Wow. This shit's slow. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I actually really like this. It did a great job with this thing, man. Genuinely. Like, look at this. This is pretty impressive. Yeah. 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 So in VS Code, there's a live share thing on the left, right? Do you see that? So look at my screen here. So to the side, look at my screen here. So there's a live share right here. I think I don't see it because there it is, live share. You see this? Boom. You hit the big share button. Okay. You hit that. That gives you a link. Yeah. Then you copy that link. You send it to me in the Zoom chat. Yep, that's the one that you did. Yep. I go ahead and I open this up. Open code. Open. Okay. It should say I'm in. There we go. Awesome. So I'm in the app. So manage, I go to manage. I need to trust your workspace. I need to trust this for now. Yeah. So then, okay, so then what you can do in the live share, you can also share your local host basically as well, so that I can actually view the live app. Yeah. So right now, you see there's no shared server. So there's a shared server section. You see this shared server? So you can like do there should be a button that says like share server or something along the lines of that. Yeah, that's your so that's 3000 I believe. So whatever your port is, that's what you enter. Okay. Now check this out. All I gotta do is I go to this one now. There it is. And I can see everything. Yeah, it's pretty ugly looking. Us developers do not know how to design. But let's do this. Let's actually like what I want to do, because I want to test this out with not to harp on your stuff. I think your stuff is pretty great. But I want to. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So yeah, so let's do this. We're gonna open up this code here. So I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. All right, so I'm gonna take the what we got. I'm gonna if you don't mind, I'm just gonna take what we have here. Okay, I'm gonna take all this code. All right, if you don't mind, and I'm gonna go ahead. So it says import input components U. What does this one do necessarily? Yeah, go ahead. Yup. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's sick. What are you using for this, by the way? What are you using for this? Is it like a structure that you found in Next.js or something like that? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Uh-huh, uh-huh. That's sick. Uh-huh. That just gave me a really cool idea in terms of like what we can do. It actually just gave me a cool idea because um it just gave me another idea but that we can build later on. But I will share that with you later on actually. Well, I had this for a long time. Like I really wanted to build this system for a long time. Basically like for SaaS applications or for SaaS websites. But you'll see what I mean here in a second. But no, I like this. This is a great style. Like I think I've had a friend who did something like this before. And it's very very cool. It's like basically automated way to build websites, you know? Yeah. 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 I but I got a really cool idea what we can do with that actually. Yeah. I want to try. Let's see this. So we can still keep it here, but what I want to try is like I just want to try to see like if what we can get directly from here is something that's like can we get actual good stuff from this thing? Do you get what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to figure out. npx v0 add. Can I actually do what would this do, bro? npx v0 add blah blah blah. Do you see this? So I can actually copy this whole thing. Yeah, let me send this to you. I'll send it. 'Cause you have to type it actually. Yeah, you can actually. You can. You can. Oh, I got the power. Yeah, man. It is kind. Yeah, it is kind of insane. I still have to request it actually. Hold on, let me see. Oh, never mind. I can do it now. Okay, all good. So you want me to just do this? Let's see. What does this do? npx. Please run the following command to create a component. So it says npx v0 latest init. Oh, what is this? npx v0 latest init. What does that do? Hit Y. Initialize components.json. Complete. You can now start adding components. Oh, what the hell? It will like add components for you. Are you serious right now? I don't know, but let's see. I have no fucking idea, man. I don't know. Let's see. I have a feeling it's gonna error out because what should we name the component? Let's name this component. This is what should we name this component? This is like GPT home. Okay, why not? What the hell? What did it just do? It says done. It says done, bro. Refresh. Oh, there is. There it is, bro. Another camera. Oh. 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 Well, oh. You kicked me out. You kicked me out. Damn it. He kicked me out. Oh, dude, look, it actually, fucking the thing ran and it did not give me any answer. Wow. I spent all this time trying to get an answer, did not get me any answer. Oh, no. I know. Ooh. Did you get it? Yeah. It came through. Open code. Open. All right, let's see if that works. And then make sure you share your localhost too, by the way. Should. Yes. I'm gonna double check. Yep, I got it. I got the. So if I can refresh it now. Hey, there it is. There's your thing now. Is that how it looks like on your end or no? Really? Dude, look at this. It installed the whole component into GPT Home. Look at this. So now what we can do is we can go to app here, go to page. I can literally remove. Let me see. Let's go ahead and import this actually. Editor is read only. I'll make sure. Oh, can you give me write as well? Write access? Can't write. No, just in general, so I can write code. I can't code. Hey, let's go. So we do import GPT. I believe it's called GPT Home. Yeah, but I think it's components GPT Home. It should be from at. Oh, do you have components already set up? Oh yeah, at component GPT Home. No, let me see GPT Home. Yeah, GPT Home. That should be correct actually. Let me see here. No, you don't need the input stuff. You don't need that stuff actually. You can remove that stuff for a second. Yeah. I don't know why it's giving an error. GPT Home slash. Oh, that what it is? Okay, delete that one too. Oh, there we go. All right, let's see how it looks. Console. Circuit point type undefined. What does that mean? Ah, because you have to wrap it, I think. Let me see. So like, so undo what you did. Yeah, so yeah, just yeah, there we go. Yeah, wrap it with that, and then you can just do yeah, there we go. Now try. Let me see. Wait, what did you do to fix it, by the way, so that everybody knows? Ah, and then you wrapped it up with okay. Oh, bro, what the hell? Look at this, bro. I mean, it's not bad, you know? Yeah, it's a great gradient. Why is it a great gradient on my screen? I will tell you this though. This section, it's white for you. That's some weird ass bullshit. Yeah, there we go. Now it's white for me. Did you change the color in the background? Is that what you did? Ah, BG dash white dash white. Okay. All right, sick. So look, we got GPT my files, man. Um, we got let's unlock the power of AI. Let's go ahead and change up actually this the padding here. It's a little bit weird. They unlock the power of AI. Where is that? And like it has like a I'm guessing it has is there like some kind of a padding going on here? Let me see. Large text, middle text. Yeah. Let's see. The only way to do is just to actually yeah, there is actually compute it. There's a margin on it, honestly. Oh, I think it's a margin auto, I believe. Yeah, there's like a margin. Let me see here. Yeah, max width. Yeah, margin left, auto, margin right, auto, which makes no damn sense. Why would you need that? So just remove the MX auto. We don't need this one. Boom. And then that's going to put that in play. Hey, there we go. Beautiful. Get out of here, bro. All right. GPT my files. So let's change this text to be more dark. Right? You're going to get that? The Yeah, the GPT my file should be more of a darker color, I feel like, no? Yeah. Let's see here. Also, why do we not see this stuff? Like Why do we not see like these SVGs? Do you know why? I think it's a text color situation, probably, no? Oh, ask questions as well is weird. Hey, you just added text black? What did you add it? So you just added text dash black. Beautiful. Which is the whole section pretty much, right? Awesome. Beautiful. Let's also remove this. I'm guessing this is also, I'm guessing this text, bro, also has margin auto, I believe. Yeah. The text where it says like, I know, I'm not a big fan of this. There we go. MX auto, you see on this one? Boom. Remove that. Done. Look at this, you guys. Oh, this is looking pretty good. What is that? Yeah. Okay, so we got that. Can we change this learn more button, by the way? This learn more button is a bit weird too. This learn more should have like text white by default, probably, I feel like. Right? No, actually it has a text like it has a text white with a black. Let's see here. I kind of like it the way it is, like with the black color. Kind of a fan of this. Right? But if you look at my screen though, do you see where does the learn more does not appear? You see that? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we need the text white on that. Border gray. Oh my goodness. What is your take on Tailwind CSS, by the way? I'm curious. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of like how big this stuff is. You know what I mean? Like I'm not a big like like this horizontal. I have to scroll to see what's going on. You know what I mean? Yeah, you think so? Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, hold on. You're going too fast. You're going way too fast. I'm like, wait, how did you go from the app? Oh, because it's localhost 3000. I'm like, what did you go from there to fucking? Hold on, hold the phone. I'm like, this guy took 10 steps ahead. I have no idea what you just did. Um, yeah, I'm holding shift refresh. Yeah, I'm doing shift R. Localhost 3000. Okay. So the actual thing we need to do, we need to think actually a bit more deeper, which is like, what do we honestly want to do now? So basically, like, what we want to do is to have like a subscribe now to, you know, to be able to subscribe to a payment, right? Which should take you to a Stripe link, right? It's like a Stripe payment link, pretty much is what it should take you to. All right. Yeah, and there is many type of, how do I say this, Stripe payments we can use, but there is a specific Like I know this one specifically here. Because this, so when we click on this, it should take you to a Stripe subscribe now. Then that, after we're done with that, that should technically do what? That should technically like save data somehow in the Airtable or somewhere else, correct? Um, to tell you that this, you're the person, whoever you are, and then from there we can have like a dashboard situation basically, to give you access. That's kind of how I see it. I don't know. What do you think about that? Yeah. Let me ask actually. So how does it usually work? Does it usually work where, because we need to sign up? I'm guessing we also need to sign up and log in thing, correct? It's not just as simple as like here's a payment link. We need to sign up and log in at the same time, right? So we need to use Clerk, correct? Yeah. So we probably. So can we? So let's go ahead and do this because I think part of what we're doing this is actually to show people like how to do this as well. So if we do Clerk, let's just say here, and is Clerk free by the way? Oh, we're fine. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. So continue with Google. We're just gonna do it this way. Continue. You see, really, dude. Oh my goodness. So we call GPT my files here. This is kind of awesome. So we can do email. We can do Google. I mean, it's all we pretty much need right now. Dude, that's so beautiful. Just create an application. Wow. Oh my goodness. Love me now. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Dude, they know their user experience. Like this is what I mean by a good user experience. Like a lot of people think that, in terms of UI UX, you need some fancy ass shit. You need some fancy animations. You don't. You need you need to have it be done simple. I like think about it. It took me from point A to point B, like so fast, and like right away it shows me, okay, here is your thing. Like this is what you gotta do. Like this is what you gotta install. Like oh my goodness, I love this. So choose your framework. So we got basically that. Paste the keys in the code snippet below on your NV local. You can actually copy that nv.local. Can you create nv local and then copy and paste that here? And then we do npm install clerk, right? So npm install clerk. I think you already did that. Oh, you did that already. Never mind. Okay, so you did that. You set up an environment variable already. Find your publish key. Select your duplication. Select API keys. Oh, and then do we have the secret key already? Did we get that already, by the way, or no? Oh, we did. Okay, so we did that. Did get that. All right. Add clip provider to your application. So and that's, I'm guessing, to the page.tsx. Or wait, we're using the app router, right? Yeah, we are using the app router. Wow. Dude, this is way too simple. Oh, you have okay. So we got a clerk provider right here, guys. Then we want to wrap the whole thing with the clerk provider. So I think we actually could do like this. Clerk provider, right? Boom. Clerk. Yes, do it. Rename tag. 17 million, bro? Holy shit. Holy Oh, I like this. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Wait, but don't other ones do it? Like, isn't there a ton of other ones that potentially do it or no? All right. I like this. Uh-huh. That's beautiful. Dude, I love it. All right. Now the click is installed and mounted in your application. You can decide which pages are public and which are should be required authentication. This is so simple. Create a middleware.tss file to the root of your project or in your source directory if you have one. Did we have that already or no? The middleware.tss. There it is. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. All right, sick. Okay, cool. With auth middleware authentication, okay, cool. So we got the middleware TSS. You've imported it right here, which is amazing. Sweet. Then we have that part. With other middleware authentication will be enabled by default on all routes that your Nexus middleware runs on, blocking access to all signed out visitors. You can specify valid routes using Next.js matcher. Add the following code. Okay, so public routes, ignore routes, and then matcher is what. So this specifically says which route to protect. Correct? This right here. So so this because says which routes to protect. Mm, yeah, and then here you can specify valid routes using Next.js matcher. Add the following code to your middleware TSS. Yeah, well, I guess we'll play around with it, but try accessing your app. Oh, there's an embed. Is this like a sign in button you can do? Uh huh. Wow. Okay, let's copy this page. Let's go to our GPT home. Let's go to our learn more section. I kind of want to put in here. Oh, that's not what I want. Import it. And then where's our learn more here? I need to stop following you because I keep following you. And then here. There we go. There it is. So then we do basically user button, right? And like that's it. Okay. All right. Cool. Finally. It even has a sign out option? Oh, you're kidding me. I feel like it's there, but it's not there. PG red. Yeah, but it looks like it. Um, Maybe you have to restart your server too. just as a just as a thought. Let's see. Okay. All right. Let's see. That is pretty simple. I will say. That is simple. Yeah. Ah, I see. I see. And then there's the Okay. 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 I see. So basically, like, that makes sense. I see. I see. So there's okay. That makes sense now. Okay. So what we need to do, what it feels like we need to do, is we need to add like a login button somewhere. Okay. Like a login button, and then there should be a separate page called like a dashboard, or the dashboard page or your app basically. That is where our application is going to be, I'm guessing, correct? And then we protect that route specifically. And so when we click login, right, that will take you to that dashboard thing, which is protected, which will automatically kick off, the clerk thing, right? It's the sign in basically, right? And that's it. And then I just, wow, that's so simple, right? Yeah, so let's try it. Let's just create a new page that's called like the dashboard, whatever we want to call it. Let's just create a new page called dashboard, and then we'll go from there, right? Oh, bro, let's try this. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Don't do this yet. Hold on. I wanna test this out. I want to select this. Okay. That's what I want to try. The goal here is also to use as many potential like no code solutions, right? But I'm not sure if that's actually like not sure if this is gonna be possible. But let's give it a shot. Oh, what the fuck did it just do? This is not what I wanted to. Okay, make the nav. I think it's not doing its best right now because I'll be honest with you, because of this warning thing, it was doing so much better a long time ago, bro. I'll be honest with you. Like it was doing so much better. Like I think like a day ago or 2 days ago. Well, that's not the way we want to do it. Look at this thing. That's not how we want to do it. Yeah, I guess let's see here. Let me see here. Where's our nav? Oh, there's a sign in here. We can just copy this thing. Our little a little navigation bar. There's our nav. We just take this nav. We can prop it on the type of our GPT home thing, right? Boom. It's kind of cool how that works. This needs to be in the banner section, right? And the banner is where? Is this one? So I need to go this. I need to do it this way right now, right? Or is it in the container? Let's see how. How does it look? Oh, look! It even has people sign-ins. That's sick, dude. Can we? What? Yeah, let's go. Dude, are we actually able to like specify user like data? Like instead of using Airtable, can we send data to this? Do you know? Like for example, like for example, because we need to be able to save data. Like, are they subscribed or are they not subscribed? You know what I mean? Oh, bro, look, preview your. Sorry, it says preview your account's application host to sign in. There's a specific sign-in flow, and they use then there's what is this right here? Close Account Pro is the fast way to add authentication and user management to your application. We provide a fully managed and hosted solution. What the hell? What does this do? It does. Oh, look, it has a Firebase integration. Oh, that's interesting. That's kind of cool. We could look into it. I'm down for that. That's kind of awesome. That's kind of cool, honestly. Okay, well, okay, let's see. So first things first, let's go back to our application here, which I don't know where the hell it went. Um, sorry. Oh, I think I have to sign in. Boom. All right, there's our app. Oh, and there's a dashboard link. Bro, psh. And it even has our thing. Oh, yeah. Dude, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's take this right here. I'm going to take this button. I'm going to move it up top above the user button right here. Boom. Boom. I'm going to make this button be not dashboard just yet, but we're going to do like sign in slash. It's like login slash sign up. Login slash sign up. Kind of like that. Yeah, nice. Do you use handle route or do you use in Next.js or do you use the link button? I'm curious. Let's do we've used like I don't know if there's a benefit to either one of them, honestly. We've usually used the link, but I don't know if there's another benefit to it. But we have used like use router, for example. Okay. All right. Well, let's try to use the handle route. I'm down for each. Any honestly. Okay. Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah. Let me see. MX dash 2. Hey, look at how it looks like now, bro. Check this out. She looks really proper. Like what's cool, and then we did this with like a V0 thing. It's kind of awesome. We set this up so quickly. It has all this stuff now. And then we just do like login sign up. And you did you set up the dashboard page yet or no? Let me see here. All right, let's do that. Nice. So there it is. Import layouts. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead. Yes, we do. The answer is yes. No, I like it. I like it. I like it. Do we have a default layout? What's our default layout right now, by the way? It's just layout TSX. It's this one right here, right? Dope. Okay. Cool. 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 Awesome. Sweet. All right. So let's do this. So basically, this is gonna be our dashboard page, right? All right. Do we need to wrap it in default layout or no? But I think by default it's default layout, right? Unless you specify it, correct? Oh, like a separate layout for it? Okay. So let's do this. Before we do that though, before we do that, let's do this. So dashboard here. Um let's do this for now. Because what I want to do is I want to test something out. So let's see. If we go to dashboard, boom. Holy guacamole, what the hell is this? Are you looking at my screen? What the hell is this? That's a default layout. But no, that's great. So that means it works. So what I want to do now is I actually inside our basic clerk thing, our middleware, what we want to do is our public route is our normal route, right? That's this right here. And then that's our public route, including API. But then our so let me see here, non-public. So let me just, so I go login. Let's see here. All right. So then we go, I'm going to go sign out right now. Okay. Why is it still, see, this is what I'm trying to say. Why is it still technically protecting me when technically it should not? Oh, no, never mind. Actually, no, it's working now. So that's fine. So that's fine. So now if I go into dashboard, technically. Yeah, if we go into dashboard here, let me see, dashboard. Yeah, beautiful. Yes. Sick. Yes, 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 yes. There we go. So then, awesome. So then we could just go back and it takes you back to localhost. So then that means, so the login sign up, bro. Does login sign up take us a dashboard? Is that right? Login sign up? Let me see. Let me click on it. No, it doesn't do anything. Oh, no, it does. It does it. Yay. Let's go. Then we go continue with Google. Sorry. Continue. Dude, that sign in was so, oh, nice, 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 nice. That sign in was so simple, bro. Oh my God. Like that sign in was just so simple. You know what I mean? That sign in was way too simple. Yeah, way too easy. Yeah. 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 Let me see if I, and then look, it even has, oh, where's the user button? Did it disappear? Let's see. It's still trying to refresh. Ah, there we go. Done. Beautiful. All right. So then what we can do here, bro, is, and then is there a way in Clerk to tell us that, like, can the provider tell us, let me see, can the client side help, that's what I need, client side helpers. Oh, there we go. Oh, they do have this. Look at this. So they have use user, use clerk, use auth, use sign in, use session. Boom in the read. So boom, use user. That's what I need. It's a convenient way to access the current user data when you need it. This took okay. Awesome, sweet. That's exactly what I need. Sweet is signed in. Ah, that's exactly what we need. So I'm gonna check this out. What I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take this. We're gonna go to ChatGPT home. We want to convert this login sign up to be dashboard pretty much if you're signed in. Does that make sense? So I'm just going to go ahead take this I'm just going to go ahead do const there we go, and copy this whole thing is signed in. Boom. Is signed in. I love this kind of stuff. Is signed in. And then we will know is that if you are signed in is, oh, come on, is signed in, right? If your is signed in, then we use login. Otherwise, dashboard. There we go. What do you think about that? Let's see. Hey, let's go. No? That can happen sometimes. Right? Right? Login, sign up. Boom. Manage account. Awesome. I don't like how it takes a long time for it to show the user account thing. It's the only part I don't like. It takes a while to show that account thing. I don't know why. And it shouldn't say login sign up because technically aren't I already logged in? Yeah. Oh, I fucked up the ternary. I'm gonna do the opposite actually. So if not signed in, then we do. My bad. My bad. Ah, there we go. See, now we have it. Oh no, what did you do? Why did it do? Why did it go all of a sudden to is signed in? Why did it go to log in, sign up? That makes no sense. I'm already signed in. What you talking about, Phyllis? If you're signed in, then you should have dashboard. Otherwise, you should have a login / sign up, right? Boom. Yeah, then it just disappears. Don't fucking disappear on me, bro. Okay, cool. Dope. Oh my god. This guy went far. All right, look at this. And then we go to dashboard, and there's our dashboard. Oh, this guy's already building the dashboard. He loves gradients, looks like, too. That's amazing. All right. So this is sick. So what? I don't know. It's like default. By default, it defaults to gradients. Everything. So, dude. So okay, let's do this now. So I know you want to build this out, but what we can do now is we can use V0 again to be like, hey, now build this for us, right? Now let's build a dashboard front end, right? See. Yeah, let's go. Okay, new generation. Okay, let's do this. GPT, create a dashboard. Create a board. Create a SaaS dashboard. With. Do we want to have a top nav section or like should the nav be on the left? What do you mean? I want to keep it simple. I don't know actually. I haven't tried. Okay. Okay. You want to, okay, let's just do maybe nav on the top. Yeah. With with criticize dashboard with nav on top. And I mean it's pretty simple basically with nav on top. And I mean and then at the bottom it's just going to be the actual SaaS app. Nav on top with settings. Well, I'm not a designer. I'm just a my team's a designer. I'm just a user experience person with settings and user profile with settings icon and home button. Let's see. Do it. Give me something. All right, let's see. Oh, it actually is. It is building a SaaS dashboard with the nav on the left. That's not what I wanted, but it's okay. Let's see. Hold on. But it's doing like weird shit. It's doing like home. I mean, it's not too bad. I'll be honest with you. Like this part is pretty good. Oh wow, look at what it did for us. Look at this. You're trying to build this on your own and like this guy just did it. Yeah, man. It's nasty, I will say. Yeah. Yeah, I agree, man. But I don't see no settings icon. That's like my only issue. I'm like, I don't know what the hell why the hell the settings icon is in there. Okay, so what I want to do, let's do this. Let's do this. Logo is GPT my files, and okay, let's see. Yeah, it's kind of awesome. I kind of like it a lot. I don't. That's the dude. That's the thing. It's missing. That's what's missing, right? Like, why would you miss that? Oh, they even have Web3 login. Look. Wow. Like, no, because it's just normal. It's just simply normal. It's nothing crazy. It's just simply normal. Yeah. 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 I actually talked to the team. I went to NFT NYC and I talked to the Magic Link team. Um, they're pretty cool. They're a pretty cool company. Yeah, like basically what ended up happening is they you know they they, they just create an internal a new wallet for you, and your private key is stored on servers technically, but it is encrypted. So the private key is encrypted basically fully. Um, so it's not a full on because there's a name for it. I keep forgetting the name, but there's a name for this specific wallet. I don't know about that. I don't know if it's EOA necessarily. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. But okay, let's add that nav back now into here. Let me go back to our nav. It's built by Vercel. Yeah, this is Vercel's. This is Vercel's. Yeah, I know. I know. It's sad, man. And I can literally, and the cool thing is I can take this, I can copy this, right? Because we can literally just copy this whole thing. And then I'll give this to you, and then you paste this npx v0 add thing. And then it will just create a component for you. Like as you can see right here. Boom. Give it the component name. Let's just say give it a nav, whatever you want to call it. And then it adds it. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. We'll rename it. It's okay. Just rename it to be like nav. Same thing here. Nav. We'll make this cleaner later on. Right now, this is kind of very dirty. Yeah, but basically, then what we can do. Now, of course, we don't really need, honestly, to be completely honest with you, I don't think we need all this stuff. Like all this other stuff. We don't really need, right? Like, no, we don't really need all this stuff, man. The icons we can still use, that's fine, but like everything else is completely unnecessary. Well, hold on. Nav, okay, that's there. But when it comes to main stuff, we don't need anything with main. Like, delete that shit. Boom. Dunzo. Dunzo. Yeah, it is nuts. I agree. And then we go to dashboard. Oh, you already imported it. Yes, great. Awesome. Awesome. So there is our nav here. Right? Boom. You already got the is user thing, which is perfect. We definitely want to clean this up later on because it's kind of nasty right now, but it's all right. What is it? Dude, what is it with my background? Why is my background always a gradient? Somebody please tell me. Oh, it's so funny. Okay. One of the nav stuff, let's make the nav be like, there should be like home. So let's go back to home section. So one of the nav should be to go back home. Let's see. There should be a link to go back home. Boom. Which is simply just like a link that's like dash, right? Then there should be like a link to be like settings, which we don't have right now. Settings. Boom. And then the other links we don't really. And then what happened to this one? Hold on. What happened to home? Oh, there it is. Analytics we don't really need, right? Are you trying to do something here right now? Ah, like that stuff, right? Okay. Yeah, we probably have to take it into its own component so that it's like consistent. Probably no, I feel like. Yeah, it's kind of nasty right now. But then what I want to do, bro, is I want to take this GPT thing. Let me go to my AI agents here, bro. I'm gonna log in really quickly here. Like, even though this is not the best agent here, I'm gonna go ahead and go to tools. Here. New. Okay. Start from scratch. All right. User input. Boom. We're gonna do file to text. File. Oh, there you go. File to text. So GPT my files. Actually, we don't need even the description. None of that stuff. So we can just do like here. We're gonna go like enter add your file below. Boom. Make sure it's a PDF, audio / video file. All right, we're gonna save this into like file text, right? Then we're gonna do another text input here, long text input. Enter your question. for the file. All right. Okay. Then what's going to happen here? Then this is gonna be question right here. All right, there it is. So it's kind of cool how you can do this. And then in the tools, we're gonna go to add steps, and then we're gonna go to AI tools. Fine-tune large language model based on your data with relevance AI. Text to image. There's even 11 labs. That's kind of cool. Knowledge search. Combine an array of strings into a single string. Yeah. Retrieve data that best match a provided query. Advanced. Yeah. Oh, see, generate vector embedding. You see this thing right here? Here. See, that's what I'm talking about, which is like vectorizing stuff, vectorizing content. Like, so, like, so for example, vectorize content. There's a specific for ChatGPT. I forgot there's a specific, yeah, vector embeddings for, see, for docs with, yeah. Yeah, using vector databases. Yeah, because that's what's actually going to allow you to make huge questions. Like, you know, you're not limited with this stuff. You're not limited by the, you know, the token limit. Yeah. So let me see. Infinite. There here. So and there we go. This is perfect. So this is kind of what we're looking for here. Enhanced GPT with infinite. Yeah. Using vector database and GPT retrieval plugin. See? Yeah. So let's draw the idea is divide your long text into small chunks that are consumable by GPT. Store each chunk in the vector database. Each chunk is indexed by a chunk embedding vector. When asking a question to GPT, convert the question to a question embedding vector first. Use question embedding vector to search chunks for vector databases. Combine chunks. Oh my goodness. A woman demo project. So yeah, it's very interesting. And here's the roadmap for it. Huh? Yes, that's LangChain, exactly. Yeah. So basically, ask questions, query interface, ask for chunks, database interface. You upload and you retrieve chunks from vector database that goes into OpenAI, compute question embedding, and ask for a response, and then, yeah. I still don't fully understand the logic, to be honest with you, but it's kind of cool. And then Pinecone. Oh yeah, Pinecone is that vector database. That's right. These guys actually, dude, these guys have completely just, they've raised so much money. Pinecone. Yeah. Oh, dude, how are we gonna learn all this stuff? Find context. We just need to become, you know, we need to become AI systems is all we need to do. See, look, data source, embedding model, that Pinecone vector database, and then search application. Oh, there it is. This is it. This is exactly what we're looking for. Look, the embedding model, vector database, LLM, which is GPT, and then GenAI applications. Yeah. Yeah. Well, so this allows you to really have really big, you know, questions and I'm sorry, long text input. Like here's an AI tool I really want to build. I'll be completely honest with you. But this costs a lot of money to do this, which is I want to build an AI tool that you can just input a YouTube video, okay, and it will generate chapters for me. You know, like chapters with actual like timestamps. That's what I want to be able to do. Yeah, because like I do chapters in my videos, right? But it's such a pain in the ass to set them up, to be completely honest with you. It's such a big pain in the ass. So if we can do something like that, which is like you add a YouTube video and then it generates chapters for you, that would be fucking amazing. Now the question is, how do we do in a way? Because we have to store not just the chapters. And by the way, Loom does this, right? Loom does a great job at this. I don't know how the fuck they do it, but Loom does a great job at this, if you really think about it. Yes. But you can't, what they don't do is you can't upload a video. You technically cannot just upload a video and then, you know, yeah, you cannot upload it. They will define the chapters for you if you, for example, like are recording, right? The Loom video. Then they will define that basically. Well, that's what this is. No, it's just one big transcription. It's just one big transcription. I really doubt it's anything fancy. It's one big transcription. It runs through a GPT model, um, basically, and then there's a specific prompt that basically gives you the chapters. Yeah, technically, yeah. So I just need to figure out how to fully use it. But yes, technically, that's what Relevance AI is for. It's to make this. So here, see, generate a vector embedding here. You see right here? Boom. That's what this is technically for. It's supposed to do all that. It should even have Pinecone as part of it. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm wrong. But right? That would be sick, right? Right? Yes. It's a big pain in the butt. I mean, maybe that's what we fucking do. Maybe that's what we make in this thing. All right, let's fucking do it. That'd be fun. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one thing I just don't know. Like, okay, so let's do this. So I want to embed this little knowledge thing right here. I just want to give everybody an example how this works. We're going to go through LLM before we go into the really complex stuff, okay? Because we can do that with Relevance AI pretty simply. I'm going to go to LLM here, and then we're going to add a prompt here, which is, here's the file text. I'm going to do this. Boom. Cool. Answer the following question. And then we're going to do the question. So that's kind of cool. And then we're going to do YouTube API. And then now what I can do, I can upload some piece of content. So let's just go ahead. We upload some piece of content. I want to take some kind of a PDF file. Some kind of a PDF file. I want to do some kind of a PDF file. That's like, because that's something I've always wanted to do. I've never learned this stuff, you know. There's gonna be limitations. I'm 1,000% sure of it. Like this, because I have a friend who's tried doing this, and I know for sure that there's gonna be a limit because what we need to do, bro, is we don't just need to save data on like chapters, because asking ChatGPT like, hey, give us the chapters, that's simple, right? But you have to now pair that chapter with a timestamp. Does that make sense? So that's the limitation. Now the question becomes is how do we make that happen, right? Now there's two ways. One is what we do is we convert the video and then we put timestamps with like specific text, right? So maybe there's like a timestamp that we give. Maybe we give some kind of a JSON file, right? Where there's like a text, right? And somehow, well, like every 5 seconds, there's a time, like a timestamp for it. That's the part I don't understand is how do we generate the timestamp? Well, okay. So what we can do is the following is, yeah, man, that's the hard part. The hard part is not asking ChatGPT actually about that stuff. I mean, that's also pretty difficult to be honest with you, because we have to do the whole vectorized thing, right? Um, let's see, really, yeah, bro. Let's build this shit. Let's call this. This is gonna be a sick name. We'll fucking call this like we'll give it some kind of a fucking dope ass name, which is we'll give it like Molly. No, Molly's not a good name, but like oh, that's so funny, bro. Oh, that's hilarious, man. Oh, that's so funny, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So okay, we'll figure out what to call it. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Oh, what's wrong with me? Okay. Okay, let me see here. Agent quick start. Okay, I want to figure out vector, like vector. Oh, there we go. Vectors and search array. So here. Okay. How to use vectorized search array step. Add the component array to search. See, that's what I'm trying to figure out is so search query. This is where the search string is provided. Okay, so because that's the part I don't understand. So how does so how do we do that stuff? Which is vectorize an array of strings and do similarity search. Okay, that doesn't really tell me much, honestly. Like, let me see, relevance AI. Yeah, well, okay, we'll figure it out. It's just, this is gonna be a process for sure. What I want to do right now is I just want to actually launch this and kind of add an iframe already. So we kind of already have something, to be completely honest with you. But I need to figure out what kind of a file. Yeah, go ahead. What's your question? Maybe. No, I don't know. I'm very limited now. I have very limited knowledge on that stuff, to be completely honest with you. That's something I really want to learn. Yeah. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, let me do this, bro. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and I have this okay, I have this picture. Check this out, guys. So I have this picture. It kind of looks a little bit like this. See, this is a review we got for building an NFT marketplace. Okay, so I'm gonna take this picture and I'm gonna drag it into the input here. Okay, drag it in. It's pretty small. I should be able to answer this question. If it doesn't, then I don't know, tell us one thing. But give me a summary for this. All right, and I'm gonna run this step now. What? What you talking about, Phyllis? How can this be not right? Data is too large for the most relevant. What the hell is that supposed to mean? It's like so short. Okay, is it the API keys? Is the API keys the issue? Oh, goodness. Like, it should be so quick. File to text. Add your files below. Okay, settings. Let's go to API keys. Okay, generate new API key. Testing. I'm gonna have to remove all these API keys at some point because I have too many of them. I have way too many API keys going on at the same time. I had to hide this stuff for you guys so that you guys don't see my API keys. That's why I'm doing this. All right, API keys. All right, cool. All right, let's try it again. All right, so found. Okay, let's run this step now. Data is too large for the most relevant. You piece of. I don't know what kind of stuff does it want from me, bro, but this is like. Okay, I'm gonna give it one more shot. I'm gonna give it a PDF now that I know used to work for me. Like, it was some kind of a email PDF I used to use a long time ago. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Mm. Yeah, I don't see why not. I don't see why not. Yeah, agreed. Let me do this. I'm gonna just I am the hell is this? Trying to give some kind of a task to this. I'm so limited by this thing. It's kind of insane. Okay, let's give it a PDF file here. Small PDF file. Run. If you give me a problem now, then this is an issue with you. It's probably not gonna work, honestly. It's definitely you right now. And it's just horrible. They're just giving you really bad, like really bad errors. Like if they just, it may, like if you're gonna tell me if it's like the issue, the fact I have to pay, tell me I need to pay. You know, if it's like, just tell me I need to pay. I will fucking pay. But just tell me. But no, it's gonna take my time. Come on, relevance AI, don't fuck me up. Don't F me up. Is it because of credits? Like, I don't know. That's the issue, bro. If you need more credits, I will give you more. I will give you more credits. I'm happy to pay for them. But you have to tell me. Otherwise, I'm not paying for this shit. What do you want? What do you want? You know what I mean? Common errors. Prompt is too long. Please reduce prompt length. Validation. No. Too large data. Data is too large for the rate limit. Message. Negative credits. See? Oh, okay. So that's a run rate. Different. History? No. Yeah. Kind of disappointed in relevance AI. I'm sorry. And then it's just taking. Look at this. This is a 179 kilobyte file, and it's taking its dang ass time. Oh my goodness! Please don't. It transcribes the file, and then it's supposed that's it. And the text goes directly into ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT basically then can answer any questions for you. It's the that's. This is horrible. I agree with you. I completely agree with you. I do not disagree with you whatsoever. Like, the fact that I can't do something simple at this point, and I've actually worked with this. Like, I've created this before. It was working completely fine. You know, it was just working fine completely, and then now it's just like completely jacked up, and I don't know if it's because of, if it's because of what I did, or I don't know, but obviously it's not telling me. Oh, is it really? Yeah. Well, look, so here's what's crazy. Look at this. I can actually, I can share this. So look at this. So we can embed this script. So I can actually do iframe here. Look, I can now take this iframe. Let's go to V0 now. And where's our dashboard? I know you've been building recently here. Where's our dashboard here? Yeah, there we go. Right. So that's the dash. Is that where the nav is? Ah, that's the dashboard layout. Ah, yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do is basically in here. So then, does that mean I need to create it like this, right? Do I need to create it like this? Is that right? Hold on. How did you make that happen? Hold on. If we use this layout, the nav is already there. Okay. So then I just do this. Okay. Then I need to go and just this. Yeah, and I think that's technically it. That's all I should do. Let's save this. Let's see, what does it look like on our local host? Let's see. Is it showing up? Oh, there it is. Well, it's kind of there and then disappeared. No, I think it was good. But then it just kind of disappeared, though. Yeah, there it is, right here. You see? What the fuck is that? The hell? Ah, yes, 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 yes. So let me go to the nav here. Yeah, we don't need. We don't need any of this. Hold on, we don't need any of this stuff. Hold on. Anything inside the main, we don't really need. Just remove that shit. Don't need that. That's where the children will go. Hold on. Where's the children? Ah, you did. Okay, so then we don't need this main stuff at all. Yeah. Peace out, sucker. And then look, you technically have your relevant AI app. See? Look. And that's it. Yeah. Yeah. Need to remove this horizontal scroll thing, but it's okay. We'll remove this later on. You've got user profile. Dude, it's kind of crazy. Or there's a horizontal scroll. You see the horizontal scroll? I think it's because the iframe has a specific width. I think because if I go to the iframe, if we go to the dashboard here, I think there's a width. Ah, see, this is why. So the width should be like 100%, I believe. Or something. No, actually, no, it's 500. Not sure what this frame border thing is for. Ooh, no, that's not what I want. 500 pixels. Oh. Yeah, I'm not sure why it has it's because there's like something on the dashboard side of things. Hold on, maybe it's the nav, I believe. I think it's the nav. That's what I think. Because it has like a weird ass. You see the background on it? You see the background? Or is it in the layout, actually? It could be in the layout. Dashboard layout. Yeah, I did fix it, actually, yeah. 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 Min H screen, min height screen. That width full. Hold on. Well, width full is technically width of 100%, right? So, but then hold on. But really, where do you see 2.5s? I think it's the. No, I think there's only now one now. What are you talking about? I think there's only one now. I think if you remove this width full, then it will work. Here. Maybe. Ah, yeah, look. Look, done. Look, it's done. Oh, no, fuck. No, never mind. Fuck. Fucking A. Piece of shit. Then remove that shit. I don't want that nav. We don't want the component TSA. We just want the nav. Oh, is that what it is? You think so? The dashboard. Oh, well, no, it was not. No, it was not because you are importing from components / nav directly. So nav.tsx is good. I think it's Gucci. Wait, it says no such file. Oh, it says no such file. Hold on. Component.tsx. Where the hell are we importing this component.tsx from? But I think you removed it already. I think it's Gucci now. I think it's fine now. Components, UI table, components, boom, boom, boom. UI. I don't see. I think that was it. I don't think what. There we go. Done. Yeah, we still have the damn horizontal scroll bar. But I don't like to do that actually. I don't like to fix the no scroll bar thing. What I like to do is I like to go down to the weeds, which is like, what's the fuck is the thing that's causing this shit to be like that? I know what it is, bro. Actually, it's right here. Hold on. What the heck? Oh. What the hell is this from? Nazari. There's a button here. I think it's the bro. It is actually the user button. Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. So look at my screen here. You see this? See that? Yes. You see that? So that's controlled by the user button thing, actually, looks like. There we go. Done. Done. What did you do? That's why. There we go. I don't think we need the name, honest, to be completely honest with you. Yeah. Yeah, just the icon deal is fine. What is the base user component for? Oh no, actually no, that's fine. I like that base user. I think that's fine. I just don't think we need the user name. Like, I think we just need to you can just remove this. I like that. I don't think it's, and then the toggle user menu, that's also not necessary, is it? Alright, screw that. We don't need that shit. Fuck that. Oh, look at how beautiful it is now. Look at that. Dude, look at it. I need to add a few more nav links, which is like, there should be a settings link. And then I think on the left side, we can be like home here. Didn't we have nav links before in the nav.tsx? Didn't we have that before? Delete it. Okay. I like it. That's fine. I like it. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah, and then we go like this. Yeah. I'm actually gonna do text, which is gonna be settings. I'm gonna do settings. And then we're gonna take this to a settings application. Dude, do you use Copilot? Yeah, it's beautiful. Yes. Yeah, it's so good. Dude, it's 9 o'clock. Holy shit, we should end soon. I don't know. I don't know how long have we been doing at this. Oh, we've been at this for 2 hours, bro. 2 hours and 15 minutes. All right, dude. Let's go home and settings, dude. Hell yeah, bro. I think settings gonna be on the right side. Actually, settings should be on the right side, I think. Actually, yeah, but it's okay. For now, it's fine. We'll keep that in there. For the search products, let's go and remove that search box because we don't need that search box actually. For the search product stuff in the nav, that's completely unnecessary for us. Oh, what happened there? Wait, why did it just go to the left side? Wait, no, I think I messed with it. Hold on. Because I think, there's margin left auto on this one. Okay. I see. So we do margin left auto. Right? So something I just want to do this kind of stuff every day. But yeah. But then there's a business need to run as well, so I mean, but this could be the business though. This could be a business. Like if you really do this every single day and you really get into it and then you get sponsors and then you make just dope ass SaaS applications and then that can turn to something bigger. Like if you just, it's patience. And then the problem is we lack patience, you know, and I'm not saying you, I'm just saying I lack patience, you know, but yeah. 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 Valid, man. Okay, let me see. Div class. There it is. So the gap. So this, what makes it margin left auto? If I remove this margin left auto, no, hold on. Ouch. Oh. Whoa. Oop, there it is. Why is this width full? That should not be there. Well, I mean, I guess width of 100%. That's fine. Now, hold on. Item center. The problem is that... Hold on. We can just go like this. And then if I do in here, inspect. Because technically, it's inside this little thing. There it is. Instead of doing item center, we just do what is the what is it? Is it flex end? Is it flex end to say that it's at the end of the thing? Yeah. It's called justify end. Thank you. Justify end. Because I keep forgetting the actual name for the... There we go. See? Done. All right. Cool. All right. Dope. Donzo. And then the home page takes you back to home. It's a little bit slow, I will say. Oh, wait. Is the homepage... Is there a link on the homepage? Because I don't think there's a link. Hold on. Let me see here. Link. Oh, that no, link should be the wrong link. Oh, it's just I put the link as the wrong link. That's fine. All right. So now let's go back to home. Beautiful. Then there's a dashboard. Look at that. Dude, look at what we got. And then we do sign out. Look, we can do sign out now. And then, look. This is too easy. And then we do continue with Google. And then we do this. Continue. Wow. Dashboard. Wow. Nice. Sick. All right. Well, that's what we got for you today. Yes, yes, yes. We fucked up a little bit. You know, but yeah, that's true. Oh, that is true. That is true, my friend. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is fun. Let's continue to do this. I want to do this on a weekly basis, if not more. Um, yeah, man, that's sick. Yeah, let's figure out the whole vectors because I think the this idea with creating creating chapters for your for YouTube is a cool idea, and I have a good idea on how we can push it out in terms of popularity, and so I have a really cool idea in terms of how we can push this idea out. Yeah, exactly. Because I hate the whole chapters thing. Yeah, we just need to. It's gonna cost a bit on the ChatGPT side for sure. Like ChatGPT, yeah, 1000%. Yeah, that is valid. That is valid. Because like, what'll be cool? You literally you should be able to do it as simple as this. Add add a link to YouTube. Like, cause what you would do is think about here's what you would do. You would you'd make a YouTube video. You would go to YouTube, right? Then what you would do is you wouldn't publish the YouTube video yet, so the YouTube video becomes unlisted, but it still has a link, right? The YouTube video is unlisted and it still has a link, and then you take that link, you paste it in a thing, and then you generate the chapters. It might take a little while to do it, of course, right? It might take a little while to do it because you have to upload like make it could be like an hour 1 hour video, right? Um yeah. Well no, probably not a minute, probably, a little bit faster than a minute, I would say. But what we would do is we would upload the lowest version of the video. We will open because YouTube gives us multiple versions of the video. It's like there's like 720p, there's 1080p. So YouTube, when we download, we can actually download 360p. Like we can download a very low res version of the YouTube video. So we need to use YouTube API, download a very low res version of the YouTube video, you know? Um, and then from there, that's, oh, wait, it does. Well, does it? Does YouTube have, mm, access YouTube subtitles. Maybe it does actually. API, because if it has access to the subtitles, oh, here it does have cap. Look, capture tracks that are associated with specific video. Not the API response does not contain the actual captures that the captures download. So maybe it does have captions actually. But the thing is, like, is there a time? Oh, look. Is there a time at which the timestamp the caption is created? You know what I mean? Like, oh, time text markup language caption. Look, timed. There's a time. Like, look, there's a timed text markup language caption. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, we just need to be very good. Like we need to figure out a good prompt, basically, for getting the chapters. I mean, we can't just be like, "Hey, get us the chapters," basically. Um, you know what I mean? But what's cool about this is if we use YouTube, the YouTube gives the text, which we don't have to technically convert the text, right? So that's the cool part about YouTube stuff. And then, so that's the cool part about YouTube, right? We use YouTube captions, right? And then from there, we just we just use YouTube captions, and then from there we just use the vectorized stuff to actually give us the values, the chapters, and then we can specify like chapter, the max length for a chapter, for example. We can actually teach it like what good chapters are, like what are good chapters for YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. So what we need to, yeah, and what we can do is like we need to start with a 10-minute video, right? So we need to create some kind of a 10-minute video potentially, and I have a 10-minute video actually. We can use, I have a video called on my YouTube. Oh, this is Solidity. Let me see. Let's go to YouTube here. Well, I mean, oh, that's the lady one, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, actually, not this one. This one actually made me realize I need chapters because the one it's a called a perfect landing page design. This one specifically made me because I didn't want to create these chapters, bro. Like even though there's not many chapters, see, I didn't want to create these chapters to be completely honest with you. Like I hated creating these chapters, and so um yeah, I mean they probably have their own system, but we can probably sell it to Vimeo and vidIQ. Actually, vidIQ. You know, maybe. And what's cool, what you can do is you can put this into a queue. So what can happen because here's my guess: when you upload a video, I can almost guarantee you that captions don't exist until a specific period of time, right? Because they have to process it, right? And so what we can do as part of this specific thing is this can be a really neat tool, which is like you add it into a queue, right? And then it starts to check like every 5 minutes. It starts to check our caption's still there. Our caption's still there. Once they're there, then boom, we go ahead and then it triggers it. Yeah, it had to be it'd be current. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no. YouTube AI is pretty cheap actually. YouTube, dude, it's actually so cheap. Cost. Well, yeah, but there's quotas, right? But yeah, yeah. By default, YouTube AI quota limit is 10,000 daily units. Yeah, so it's fairly cheap. Did you know that somebody for the built a YouTube clone for the Apple Vision Pro? Yeah, and they're selling their app for $5. Look here in a week. Here, bro made a YouTube app in a week. Man, I wish I knew how to code. Wait, bro made a YouTube app for Vision Pro in a week and had already paid for his Vision Pro 3 days after releasing it. Yeah, because it's he's like, so yeah, he's a ton of people actually bought it. Yeah, that will be fun. I mean, I will get it when, but it just, I don't want to. It's not something I want to put my expense on. I don't want to create that as an expense, not just yet. It's like 3 grand right now. Yeah. Yeah. So what we can do is, yeah, we can do something like this. And honestly, because dude, Loom has great chapters. Loom is amazing at making chapters. I don't know if you know that, but Loom is so good at doing chapters. Yeah, so great. And then what you can do, actually, I got a cool idea, and like it will create these chapters right for us, and then it should give you the ability to edit the chapter, because maybe you have a better way of wording the chapter, right? But it will generate the timestamps for you, and it will generate the chapters for you, like the general headlines, and you can maybe just even edit the chapter if you wanted to, you know? Yeah. So no. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can do that, of course. And yeah, yeah, we can do that, no problem. Is it intentional that only wait what? Hold on, talk. Like, give me 1 second. Talk. Talk again. Okay, interesting. Huh. What? Wait. Well, hold on. Actually, I screwed up a little bit. Hold on. It's okay. Next time we'll know. Um, 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 that makes no sense. Why is it that? Hello, hello? Broadcaster Pro? Alright, hold on. Say something again? Why is it that should be able to come from the computer, but it's not? Yeah, I think it's okay. We screwed up a little bit, but it's okay. Next time we'll know. Forgot how to make this happen. But basically what happens is that your audio for some reason didn't go through in the full in the thing.
Oh, really? Like the whole?
Yeah. See, when you talk now, but you're gonna hear you're gonna hear a reverb, right?
Yeah, not hear feedback.
Yeah, now I hear feedback.
Oh, so
But I forgot how to actually, because I forgot I can technically enable this, and then I just have to set up. So unmute yourself on the interview on the eCam thing.
oh, there it is. There it is.
No, yeah, unmute yourself.
It says I'm unmuted.
Okay, beautiful. Sweet. Yeah, so now they can hear you. So okay, next time we'll do that. Do it that way. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Next
Bro,
time we'll do it that way.
bro, wait. That whole video,
Hold
there's
on, hold
no
on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. There's too many. Hold on. Talk?
so that whole video there was no audio.
From you.
Well, we learned. We learned. We learned. We learned.
Yeah. Yeah.
We learned.
Exactly. Yeah, it's okay.
We learned.
Awesome. But it's okay. Next time we'll know. But we have a cool idea now, which is, we had some fun with it as well. So it's okay.
Bro, there's so many good jokes we had.
And someone
No.
someone finally commented, why do we only hear one person on YouTube?
Oh my gosh. Oh, well, thank you guys. Thank you for the person commenting.
Oh my God, it's funny. All right. Well, okay. I think that's it for today. This is a lot of fun. Yeah.
Bro, it was so much fun. That was such a
Yeah.
hoot and a holler.
Yeah, man. All right, everybody. You guys have yourselves a great day. We'll see you later. Peace. Don't forget to code, build, create, build your SaaS. Have fun. Bye.